Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the mood code class. And this is the proposition, the mood proposition thought that we are dealing it. And I made it very much clear by showing the live on the screen that how to write the arguments from the beginning, from developing the writing the core page and from later on the other pages, including the arguments. The last one is regarding the prayers also that I made it over there. But I give that assignment to you that you now prepare the index to the abbreviations and acronyms plus index to the authorities. The two things which I gave an assignment to you. I don't know how many people did it. Yes, now you can tell me so that I could know that you are hearing me and I am hearing you. Please read what I posted on the screen. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You are welcome to the Mood Court online classes.
Good.
Good evening. Each day we live as a gift. So thank God in the evening for getting you through the day. Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
Yes, that is the today's good evening quotation. Each day we live is a gift because when you sleep, again, getting up is a gift because we don't know whether our breath will be stopped while we are in the sleep. So thank God in the evening for getting you through the day. So that the total day would be passed over there, and it is a gift of the God. The day also went in a smooth way, and that is the thing which I made over there. And now you tell me that whether you prepared what I gave the assignment to you, because I told you to write the abbreviations and acronyms which are present in the yesterday's mood. I already posted for the group WhatsApp the entire memorial. What is the memorial? This memorial is submit the memorial on behalf of the plaintiff Virgil appellant. Yes, now you tell me. Yes. Have you prepared the index to the abbreviations and acronyms plus
No,
index to
no,
the authorities? See,
no,
this
sir.
is the, yes.
I have not prepared, sir.
Yeah, because see, if you don't prepare it, you read it, I can cross check it. Otherwise, there is no cross checking. See, did you see at least the posting which I made yesterday? Yes.
Yes. I have seen, sir.
Then why didn't follow it? At least, is it a hard, difficult thing?
No, sir. Not difficult. But I went to vaccination center, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, is it a Covishield or Covaxin?
Vaccine, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyway, it takes only the half an hour to 1 hour time it will take it over there. See, otherwise there is no meaning of my just taking the classes and you are hearing the classes. That will not serve the purpose. Of course, I myself become an expert in teaching, and that is a benefit to me. And what benefit to you? Sir, we will see the benefit at the time of the examination. Okay, let us come to the point. Is other person also the present over there, but he is so much silent. I don't know why he was so much silent. Because generally that he will not be silent. At least he will say the good morning or good evening or some other thing. So nothing is said over there means just open it. What it means? Okay, it's no matter, no matter. At least I learn myself. So if you happen to see here, what we can mention in the abbreviation? Can you tell me at least by looking at the first page, cover page, blue cover page? Yes.
The appellant side, sir.
Pardon?
It is from appellant side. Blue
Did you
cover means it is.
did you understand what the question I asked? On the screen which I shared to you, the appellant side, that the blue cover, Did you see anything which can be put under the index to the abbreviation and acronym?
CPC, sir. CPC.
What is
Civil
CPC?
Civil Procedure Code, sir.
Did I use here acronym? Did I use
Yes,
CPC? But I wrote completely Civil Procedure Code.
yes, sir.
Then what? What it should be go under the abbreviation acronym. I shared the screen to you. Can't you make it out?
It is an appeal. It is an appeal in
Appeal is an acronym or appeal is an abbreviation?
It is not, sir.
Then what goes, I told you.
Supreme Court, sir. Supreme Court, SC.
Did I write
Court case.
SC?
No, sir. Nothing, sir.
Then
Nothing
what
is there.
goes under the abbreviation and acronym? Say, pass on, I will give the answer instead of wasting the time.
Pass on, sir.
See, the simple thing. What do you mention in the acronym and abbreviations? Whatever the short form that you are using in the body of the entire work, the short form, acronym or abbreviation to the left hand side, and later in the right hand side you write the full form of it. At least now you tell me. Seshavaram garu, you did not notice in the Supreme Court of India before what it is there?
High Court, sir.
Huh?
HC, High Court.
High Court. Where is the High Court? Before, then Supreme Court of India, what is in the middle?
Civil nature.
Civil nature. Where is that? Before Honorable Supreme Court of India at New Delhi. In this, what we can mention under the acronym and abbreviation?
Honorable, sir.
Honorable. Why you are not saying honorable? I told you. See, anything which is in contraction, anything which is in abbreviation, anything which is in acronym form, in the body of the entire work, that is the left hand side under the index to the abbreviation and acronym, you have to write it and it's a full form. By keeping the colon, you have to write it in the right hand side. So, this honorable will go. Shall I write the honorable there, here or not? Let me check it because in alphabetical RLC it is here. Did I mention it or not?
Yes,
Say
sir.
yes. Say yes.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. This is the first one. Okay. Next you check it if any other thing would be there where it can goes to the in the abbreviation and acronym in this one. Anything which goes to the abbreviation and acronym which is there on the screen, which I posted you on the screen.
No, sir.
Pardon?
No, sir.
No. I will show you. LRS.
Legal representatives.
Yes, that thing. Then why you are saying no? See, LRS, I wrote it here. That's why I told you, do it so that you know that. Otherwise, you don't learn swimming. Okay. Next, any other thing is there which goes under the?
No, sir.
No. Versus V. You say no. Full stop. Small V, full stop. Versus. See, here I mentioned. Is this versus or this versus? Versus this SUS, not SES. Versus. Yes. Now, did you observe any other thing is there still? Check it. Is there anything which goes under the acronym and abbreviation?
No, sir.
No, why no? Plaintiff, virgule appellant versus defendant, virgule respondent. Now you tell me what goes over there?
Virgule, sir.
Virgule. Why you are saying no? See here I wrote. Virgule or slash. Now you can tell me, is there any other thing which is still it goes to the abbreviation and acronym?
Sir, a parenthesis, sir.
No, parenthesis we can make it out. We can eliminate it.
Hello, sir. Sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. That's why I'm saying the name I could see it, but the person is disappeared.
जरा bathroom जा गया, sir. Bathroom जा गया.
Okay, no matter. Huh? So if you say that, I will also include the parenthesis. Shall I include the parenthesis?
Sir, the font is very troubling us, sir.
See, you have to wear your bifocal lens. Where is your bifocal lens?
This is
Sir, what is meant by bifocal lens, sir? Means bifocal lens means bi means two, focal means focusing, lens means a distance you can see from the upside and the reading you can see from the downside. That is
वाला
called
इधर हम ऊपर वाला जो है, it's for eye myopia.
और नीचे वाला
And नीचे वाला जो है, it's a +1 plus.
I told you
Sir,
don't use any other language. Use only English language because this is going to be posted in the YouTube. Not only the people, those who are staying in AP or Telangana will make use of it, but the people, those who wants to listen, they can listen from any nook and corner of India or the world. So hence, I less I use the Telugu language, I less use the Urdu language. I use only the language in English, which is a medium of instruction, so that other people will not suffer. So we can eliminate the parenthesis. Now I magnified it. At least, are you in a position to see it? Even now, also not. See, I magnified extent. See now, can you able to see it now?
now okay, sir.
Now this, yeah. Read what what you could see on the screen.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Memorial submitted on behalf of
Plaintiff,
plaintiff appellant.
Virgule,
Because
appellant.
it is blue color, no? LRS. Okay. Counsel appearing on behalf of plaintiff appellant LRS.
That is not the way of reading. Yes, anyone can read.
Memorial submitted on behalf of plaintiff Virgule, appellant, parenthesis, LRS.
So whether I'm sorry, I mean again going to
Counsel appearing on behalf of plaintiff Virgule, appellant, parenthesis, LRS.
What is LRS?
Legal representatives, sir.
That is the way of writing. See, you listen to me now. You listen to me now. The way that you should be read. Memorial submitted on behalf of the plaintiff, Virgule, appellant, within parentheses, legal representatives. That is the style of reading. Yes, Sheshavatar Garu. Now you can say whatever you want to say.
See the Virgule here because so in between plaintiff and appellant, there is Virgule. You say
Yes.
that is not visible.
Okay, now not visible. At least tell me what is meant by Virgule.
Slash.
Very good. And what is another name for the slash?
Say Virgule and hyphen, not hyphen. That is.
I asked what is the other name for the Virgule. One is slash. What is the another name for the slash?
I forgotten.
Say pass on. Oblique. What is the another name? Anyone? Say pass on.
Hyphen, not hyphen, not hyphen.
Say pass on if you don't know.
Person, sir.
Stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E, stroke. So how many are there?
Forgot.
Number 1, virgule. Number 2, slash. Number 3, oblique. Number 4, stroke. Is it clear? Say yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now let us go to the table of contents. See, particulars, virgule descriptions on a page number. And this number, capital N, small o, full stop, what it is?
Abbreviation. Abbreviation.
Pardon?
Abbreviation.
Can you tell me the equation of the abbreviation?
Abbreviation starts with the capital letters, sir, and remaining letters are small letters and ends with the full stop, sir. Full stop.
That is the definition of abbreviation. Of course, the cover page is one already that we mentioned here, the small Roman one. And the in table of content is, this is the table of content is small Roman 2. And the index of the abbreviations and acronyms. And that is, here we are making, this is the index for the abbreviations and acronyms. And hyphen, virgule, slash, colon, honorable, LRS, legal representative, MS, Messrs, RFA. What is RFA? Anyone? It is the type of the case. Like MC, maintenance case.
First appeal, sir. Review of first appeal.
No, regular first appeal. RFA means regular first appeal. And capital R small s means rupees. SC means Supreme Court. Double C, that SCC means Supreme Court cases. SD, I don't know why I mentioned 2 times SD. Signature. Then SCCT, full stop, this is an abbreviation section. And small v, that is italics, full stop, it is a verses. So these are the in abbreviations and acronyms that you will find it in the, okay. The decided cases, what are the decided cases here is, one is Praveen Garg versus Satpal Singh, and see, did you mention and ampersand in the in the abbreviations and acronyms? This thing we did not mention. So now you have to take it and mention where in the acronym, and yes, we can mention here, later we can see that. What is this full form?
Ampersand.
Yes,
Ampersand.
ampersand. Equivalent
And and
and. This is ampersand. It is Latin. It's a Latin term, and equivalent is and. That is the thing. Okay, that one we committed a mistake. Okay, next. And Praveen versus Satpal Singh and another. See, this another also we did not write it. This another also we did not write it. So ANR full stop. What it means?
Another.
Another. So let me start with A here. Okay, symbols will go in that way. So it is the way that we have to write it. We not to keep the bold and not the italics. Then this ANR is abbreviation or contraction or acronym? Yes,
abbreviation, sir.
it is abbreviation. Another. Okay. Because A is the capital letter, the other things are small letters, ends with the full stop. That is the reason. Okay. RFA, we already did. What is RFA?
Regular first appeal, sir.
Regular first appeal. N capital and 0. Number is here. No, this also we did not mention. That means this time we committed a lot of mistake. It is not a lot of mistake. I want to make it you to know that how we have to pursue and search the way of writing. So I am showing you the everything.
Sir,
Means
if you,
yes.
Signed by, sir. Signature is SD slash means that is a signed by, sir.
Acha, it is signed by. Okay, I thought SD means only signature and signed by and slash and hyphen.
Or signature by or signed by, sir. Both we can
Acha,
say, sir.
signature by or signed by. Okay, okay. The new thing that I learned because I was think that only signature.
Signed without.
Okay, okay. Now I got it. Capital S, small d, full stop means only signature. And if it is capital S and D small and stroke and hyphen is signed by. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Adding something new to me and which I did not know also myself also. Okay, let us come to the point. And number also that we did not write 383 by 218 that we have already Stoke we mentioned over there. And Surinder Kaur versus the Bahadur Singh, that is a 2019, and this should not be in italics, it should be in ordinary way because only italics would be the only the title of the case law, and title of the case law always ends with the full comma, and the continuation would be there, and the citation generally it should be there in the footnote. That is the fundamental principle. Citation will not go alongside with the name of the case law. Yes, SCC means we know that the Supreme Court cases online. SC means Supreme Court. 1167 is the page number. Next, you read what is the next case law?
Abdul Qadir Router versus P.K. Sarabhai. 1989, third volume, Supreme Court 527, sir.
Yes, is there anything we should mention over there? Nothing is there. Huh? Next, Joseph Varghese versus Joseph Ali, 1969, two Supreme Court cases, 539. That one thing that I would like to tell you, whenever the All England reports are there, see here just for your sake, I will give you because the reference have come. That's why I would like to share. Suppose let you presume it, any one of the case law, like the case law is, let me see, live case law that I will make it. Means you tell me any English case law, any English case law, tell me.
Richie case law, sir. Ashbury case law, sir.
What is the full name?
Ashbury, sir.
Ashbury. Okay, Ashbury versus
Richie.
Ritchie. Rachie. Okay, let me see whether such a Ritchie case law. Ashbury versus Ritchie, and this is the case law, and Ashbury Railway Carriage versus Ritchie Cash Company. Okay, and this case law is English case law, but it is the LR case law. LR means law review case law. But if it is All England case law and King's Bench case law, would be quite good. Okay, let me. Is another case law anybody?
Reliance and Fletcher.
Reliance versus
Fletcher.
Fletcher. Yes, yes. Let me see. Of course, Fletcher. It will take it away if I write the wrong also. Okay, that yes. See, this case law is useful to us. Okay, this case law that I'm making here copy. See, why I am showing this thing is I would like to tell you the actual thing which I want to tell you. I will magnify it so that that much magnifying is not necessary. Okay, 48 36 magnifying is okay, good. So this is the case law, and now yes, now I have to put the full stop here, V full stop, and Fletcher comma you are there, and this is UKHL1. So this is the one case law. Another case law will show you to show the distinction so that you could know why we have to write in that way, why we are not write in this way. Like this, I will show you. And if you say the Padmavati versus Dugganayaka, that's one of the cases. Padmavati versus Dugganayaka. It is one of the local case law that I want to show to you. And
Something is there.
no. Yes. Yes. See, I would like to show the difference. That is my intention here. So this is the case law. And of course, this will not be there actually. Yeah. Now, if you write it in a systematic manner, you have to make it italics and the V full stop. Then here should be the comma. See, you see this case law and this case law. What did you find the difference? Yes. See, Reliant versus Fraser, title of the case law. Okay, this is Padmavati versus Dugana, title of the case law. Later on, year, say,
Square braces, sir. Square braces. Within the square braces, year of the case law, sir.
what about down?
UKHL.
I say, what about the down means doubt case law, Padmavati versus Dugana case law.
1975, sir. Comma after comma 1975. Year is
What did
1975.
you find the difference?
Here it is in above case law. It is in square braces, sir. Whereas in
Brackets, square brackets,
yes, sir. Whereas in
square
down
brackets.
square brackets, sir.
And in the down?
No square brackets, sir. No brackets,
Yes,
sir.
that is I want to say to you. That is want to see the difference between the next ACJ means accident claim journal, and 222 means page number, and the above it is a square bracket 1868, but generally square bracket will be written at that instance only when there are volumes are there. Of course, here there is no volume. UK means United Kingdom and HL means House of Lords, and the number 1 is the first page. So English cases, yes.
This is the Duganaika case is the Jeep accident case, huh?
Yes. The person has taken the lift, stranger, and they got it injured at that instance. A stranger could not take it, the advantage of it, because voluntarily he has taken the lift and got injured over there. So now I am giving the principle to you. KB means King's Bench. QB means Queen's Bench. Of course, I will write to you so that you could know it. King's, how do you write King's Bench? King's Bench. And QB means Queen's Bench. And ALLER means, yes. Say pass on, I will give the answer.
England report, sir.
What England report?
European.
All England report. AC, air conditioned.
Pass on, sir.
Appellant court. So these are all the things which are there in the codes, the type of the codes, type of the journals, like WLR, weekly law report. In the all this one, please note, year is always in the square bracket. Year is always in the square bracket. I will show you one more case law so that you could understand it. For instance, you take Ashby versus White. Let me see this case law, WH80. Ashby versus White case law. When you check it, this is ER case law. So ER case law will not go into the detail. Okay, let me see Donegal versus Stevenson. Donegal versus Stevenson. This case law will show you. Oh, there is also UKH, UKHL, and McAllister. It's not found out there. Any case law which are there? Yeah, I found it. See. Yeah, now I will paste it here, and you can see the difference. And see here, I will paste the same case law and increase the font Yes. See, Donoghue versus Stevenson, clearly writing, full stop, then here comes comma. And see, AC means, I told you here, AC means
Appellate court, sir.
appellant code. See, KB, QB, All England report, AC, WR, Times Law report, TLR, Times Law report. Wherever such a thing comes, year should be always in the year should be always in the
Brackets.
which bracket?
Square bracket, sir.
Square bracket.
Yes, yes.
Ah. If you write in the circular bracket or a round bracket, అరే బాబు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళొచ్చినవరా శాతకొండ నారా బాబు ఇంద్ర so in that way they will see you being the people who think that this fellow doesn't know what to write it because doesn't have the knowledge of referencing. He doesn't have the knowledge of referencing. So King's Bench, Q's Bench, All England report, appellant law, weekly law report, Times law report. If these reports are there, at that instance, always keep the year in the square bracket. Sir, నేను మీసాల bracket పెడతా సార్. In English, you are not supposed to keep the మీసాల bracket చెప్పండి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో. Keep the
Curly braces, sir.
కర్ల్ బ్రేసెస్ అనద్దండి, బ్రాకెట్ అనండి. దాన్ని బ్రేసెస్ ఎందుకు అంటారు? ఈజీగా చెప్పేసండి.
Curly bracket.
కర్లీ బ్రాకెట్ యూ కెన్ సే, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ సే ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్,
But not mustache bracket.
నాట్ ముస్టాచ్ బ్రాకెట్. I say curl bracket or this I posted one time in the group WhatsApp. I told you I made it posted to know that my students should have to know it. So why I am showing, because I got the chance to explain you. That's why if you miss my class, you miss many things. That's why I told you. Okay, let us come to the again. Our point is here: Supreme Court cases, square bracket, not square bracket, circular bracket. SC, no, nothing is there. All England report, All India reports, no, nothing would be there. So statement of jurisdiction, no, nothing is there. Only section ACT. We put it in the already there in the abbreviation here. Then we come to the statement of the facts, and here also we did not find any other new thing where we can keep acronym and as well as the abbreviations. And let us look at it. Rupees we already put it over there, and IRS means Indian rupees, and because Sri Lanka also rupees. Is it or not? Is it Sri Lanka rupees? Yes? Or Bangladesh? No, Bangladesh is taka. What about Pakistan?
Rupees.
It is a rupee. It is the Pakistan in rupee. This is the Indian rupees. And let us see that because nothing is here to mention. Of course, date are there. Date we cannot make it out. Then we come to the last, and only numbering is there. And no abbreviations, no nothing would be made it from this statement of the facts and the statement of the issue. Of course, the number Roman, small Roman. ఈ స్మాల్ రోమన్ నెంబర్ 1 తర్వాత వాట్ ఐ రోట్ హియర్, యూ టెల్ మీ దిస్ వన్. స్మాల్ రోమన్ నెంబర్ 1 తర్వాత వాట్ ఐ రోట్,
Whether the plaintiff
స్మాల్ రోమన్ నెంబర్ తర్వాత
brackets, half bracket.
అందుకోసమే మీకు అడుగుతాను నేను.
Arrestor, sir. Arrestor.
అరెస్టర్, అరెస్టర్ అంటారు. ముందటి దానికి స్టార్టర్ అంటారు, దాన్ని అరెస్టర్ అంటారు. దట్స్ వై ఐ వాంట్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ అవుట్, బికాస్ డోంట్ రీడ్ బ్లైండ్లీ, యు ఆస్క్. అయితే ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, అరెస్టర్ తర్వాత ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టరు. ఎందుకంటే అది అక్కడికే అరెస్ట్ అయిపోయింది, నో ఫర్దర్ థింగ్స్. సో వెదర్ ద ప్లెయింటిఫ్ వర్గుల్ అపలెంట్ కుడ్ ఎన్ఫోర్స్ ద స్పెసిఫిక్ రిలీఫ్, specific performance of the contract under the section 16 and subclass, yes, it is the subsection 3 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 or not. Of course, there is no abbreviation, no nothing, everything is very much clear, but we can write a number of sections, we can write, yes. This we can write. What are the sections that you used, you can write in the index of authorities, yes. This we can make it out. So decided cases this is, and here we can make it out sections. If you want to make it out sections. In sections, what are the sections we used it? Yes, yes, చెప్పాలా? What are the other sections we used it?
Specific performance act.
అదే కదా రాసింది. మళ్ళీ ఇంకేమైనా సెక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేసినావా లేదా? ఎస్ వి యూజ్డ్ ఇట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? చెప్పండి. ఇంకేం సెక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసాం మనం ఇందులో?
100/5, sir. 100/5.
Jurisdiction of Civil Procedure Code. Year
63, sir.
1905 or 1908 or 1975?
1908, sir.
1908, if I not be mistaken. Let me check it. Why we should have to go always with the doubt? We should be very much authentic in our say. So we can check it by using whether it is there 1908. Yes, we are right. Appreciate. It is a procedure appeal and this is 1908. Yes. Narendra Rao is succeeded. Okay, let us the 1908. This is the way that any other sections we used it. Any other sections? Let me check it once again. See, this is the way where you have to make it out, how to write it, the other things. So meticulously that you have to go over there, if any other sections are there or not. So nothing we will find, only 16C, and these are the only thing, because only one issue is there that is based on the specific relief act of the section 16 clause C, and that is why we did not find any other new things. And later the prayers, in the prayers whereon in the light of the issues raised and arguments and advanced sections or acts and other authorities cited, it is humbly requested that the honorable court, honorable, already we wrote in the contractions there in the abbreviation acronyms, and may be pleased to adjudicate the issue which is given below. Sir, ఈ కోలన్ పెట్టలే కాదు సార్. ఎస్, కోలన్ ఉన్నది. Shall I show you colon? It is there. I put it. See, this is the colon. Did you see it? Say yes.
Sir.
Very good. So, colon is there. Sir, ఇంత గణం చూడాలన్నా సార్ అంటే అంత గణం చూడితేనే you can be called as a good teacher. Otherwise, you will not be called as a good teacher or a good student of Professor Hussain. Okay? And civil procedure code, ఇది ఇట్లా రాయకూడదు. ఇది రాంగ్. ఇది the way of writing. You can write in this way, civil procedure code, or you can just write CPC enough, because if you write the CPC again, you have to write whether CPC full form is given or not. We have to check it again. Suppose if it is not given, then you have to give over there. Then again we are give to there. Here CPC stands for stand for
Civil Procedure Code.
Civil Procedure Code. Civil Procedure Code. You need not to write the year here, because we did not write the year here. So only acronym that we wrote it, the same acronym full form that you have to write in the right hand side also. So any other thing is we missed, we can once again we can check it, so that we know that how we have to make it out. So this is the style of making. See, I taught you from the digging the earthworm and tying the what is the tangus, means the plastic cane wire, and to the hook, then taking the bamboo stick and using it, go to the pond or a river or a stagnant place, and there you can earthworm that you can make it to the hook, then you have to throw in the water, means fishing, means from A to Z of the fishing is called angling. ANGLING, angling. I taught you that how to make it, how to fish. See, this is the method that I applied over there, so that you will not keep a zero face or a withering face or a faded face. Are you following me what I said?
Can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, please.
So all these are being used in the court procedure, sir. Say it may be.
ఎక్కడైనా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అది రాసే పద్ధతే అది. మీరు ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడైనా పోనీయండి, బొట్టు ఎక్కడ పెడతారండి?
Sir, sir.
Where do you
On-
keep
on-
the vermilion mark?
on the
Between the
forehead, on the forehead.
Forehead లో కూడా అది ఎక్కడ?
between the eyebrows, sir.
Just above the and between the eyebrows on the forehead.
In between the two eyes.
Generally it will follow. Some people will make it like that. So wherever that you write it, either in the court procedure or in the examination or in the report or in the article or in the thesis or in the dissertation, wherever you write it, the style is the same. You have to use it in that manner. Otherwise,
Sir.
yeah.
Now we are picking up all these things from the judgment. This thing, sir. Now you are explaining.
I am explaining only the court, moot court 8 components.
From that only you are picking up.
I am only explaining this is not the class of the DPC. It is only the moot court. It is only the moot court where I am dealing the 8 components.
So from the memorial writing.
Only memorial writing. Either you say, and up to extent G, I wrote from the appellant side. See, these are the only cover page, table of contents, index of authority, statement of jurisdiction, statement of facts, question of presented, or the question of that is a statement of points, or statement of the issues, then the arguments, last prayers. These are only the 8 components I am dealing. This is only the purely the moot court, the way of writing. So now, till now, what I did it? I did only from the appellant side. So tomorrow we have to make it out from the respondent side. At least something that you prepare and come to the class instead of giving some. Of course, everybody is having their own way of the business and schedule is concerned, but you try to make it out. Otherwise, you never learn the swimming unless until that you practice. See how many classes I have taken. See how many that is video clips are there. You can count it. How many video clips can you count? See, it starts from here. Yes. See, fast from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Today class is 34. But in semester, there should be 45 classes should be there. That is the full semester as per the international standards are concerned. If any person undergo the 45 periods, that is called credit hours, then he will be eligible for the one subject for the examination. So that is the only the say is there. I would like to share it, and now you read because time is going to up and automatically it is going to be stopped. You read what is there.
Thank you is the best prayer that anyone could say. I say that one a lot. Thank you, express extreme gratitude. Humbly, sir. Humility, sir. Humbly. Sir, it is humility, sorry. Humility undertaking.
మంచిగా చూడండి. That is not undertaking, that is understanding.
Sir, there must be some trouble with my eyesight or.
That is the reason you show to your doctor and you take the bifocal length and see that you have to read in a systematic manner.
I am using bifocal only.
Yeah.
Because compared to your previous classes, I am facing trouble now. I do not know why with this font. Previously, the font was okay, sir. When you were reading, when you were giving the lectures in the previous classes,
Yes,
the
yes,
font was
yes.
the same classes I have been using from that day only.
The age is increasing, age is decreasing.
Is there, sir? Increasing is there.
When the age is increasing, point also.
It is +1, minus +1 and -1, sir.
I
Actually.
see. So sometimes no, it will increase with the increase, and some people, if the convex means reverse, it will happen. So
That's it.
so this is the way that you have to write it. And suppose if I take the Kuhn's bench, R versus Abdullah. Do you know this case law? R versus Abdullah.
Heard, but I forgot, sir.
What is R? What is meant
State,
by R?
state.
Hmm? Full form of R.
Government, not state. So pass on.
Yes, R means Rex. Rex means king.
King.
R means Rex.
Not state, king.
Yeah. Here I will write it. R means Rex. Rex means king. And sometimes no, it is Queen also there. Queen we can say. And see, we should be very much careful. This is Queen will say Virginia. Some other. It starts with the V. So that is actually the thing. So sometimes Q also comes instead of R, and sometimes R will come. That is start the Rex. And you know, king can do no wrong. Rex poteste non peccare. That is the wording that you use it. So why I am showing this one? I would like to show one of the case law where all England reports are there. And if you happen to see any other case law, what I say that McNaughton case law. McNaughton case law. Let me set whether it is having case law brief and McNaughton, and it is not going to, because that I would like to show how the writing of the year would be there. That's I want to show you, because I could not get it, because in All England report in the Queen's bench case law, let me set Queen's bench or King's bench. See the court versus Queen's bench case law, and how the King's bench case law. So they would write, see QBD. QBD means Queen's bench, that is division. QBD means Queen's bench division. So that way that we can make it out when you are writing the cases. English cases, if you write it English cases and decided cases, Supreme Court, current cases. So this is the style of writing. You have to make it out. So today class that we completed successfully from the blue cover side, and tomorrow we should see that a red cover page. And the red cover page is nothing but opposite side. Means now we are discussing for the appellant side, and the opposite side means
Respondents.
a respondent side, that we have to make it out. So this is the way that we can. So now automatically it will be stopped. If anything do you want to ask, you can ask me. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, and I will close it now. Anyway, it will be closed automatically. But like I say, stop sharing. Then I will say it is end of the leave the meeting. End of the meeting for all. Yes.